1970s Fetters Weather Wheel window air conditioner. It is a 240 volt unit. It is time to start with fan only.
Do we know the exact year?
It's an 11,000 BTU. It's from 76.
1976. It smells like an old house.
Yeah, it came out of a house that was under construction.
It smells like one. Which that explains the sheetrock on the filter.
Yeah.
Okay. Can't get it to not come on. It's gonna come on. It's on the back side. Compressor's over here.
Oh, I guess the fan's right.
Alright.
It's behind the squirrels.
Time to start up the compressor. Here goes the compressor. Doesn't go that way? Okay, well here we go. Time.
All dinged up in the front. No surprise there. It's a 50-year-old unit almost.
This isn't the original case, by the way.
Is there a data sheet?
Yeah, under the cover. I'll take it off.
There's your blower right there. Feels great. His line's freezing up a little bit. That's really good. And there's your data sheet. 11,000 BTU for
Time to do
1976.
time for an accurate temp check. We'll let it run for a minute and we'll see what it gets.
What's it outside?
It's 85.
85 degrees.
We'll let it run and we'll see what this gets down to. It's already cold. That's a weird design.
Let me get a good earshot of the compressor because I don't think the first one I got was all that great. Yeah, I'm
I know.
It's not that bad. I mean, it's almost 20 degrees below outdoor temperature.
That's beautiful. It's beautiful. 20,
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Temperature, great.
59 degrees.
Like 18 or 19 degrees below the outdoor temp. It's pretty good. See if we can get it better. I guess 68 degrees was the final reading.
Both go away.
Looks like it. Well, that blower feels great.
Oh yeah,
It's a little bit toasty and humid out here, so. See that blower spinning down a little bit.
it's oiled good.
Good bearings. That's where the blower is. I assume the fan blade's right here. Can't see it too great because of the rust, or whatever that is.
Bomb one, right?
That actually might be paint. That'll be it.